Hi there. In this video tutorial, we will be doing triangles and basically the criteria for similarity of triangles. We have already know these 2 points, that the corresponding angles should be same and the corresponding ratio of sides should be proportional. Okay, so let's move on to different criterions for the similarity. Now we have first this theorem, that is theorem 6.3, which states that if the corresponding angles are equal, then their sides are in same ratio. Okay, so and this is known as AAA, angle criterion for similarity of two triangles. So in this, ABC and DEF are two triangles such that this is given, all the corresponding angles are same. Now we make DP is equal to AB. We cut out DP from DE and such that DQ is equal to AC. So in triangle DP and Q, we have this DP is equal to AB, number 1. We have angle A is equal to angle D, and also AC is equal to DQ. Hence, DPQ and triangle ABC are congruent by SAS criterion, side angle side criterion, which implies, so this is true, which implies angle B must be equal to angle P is equal to angle E. So this angle B is equal to angle P, which indeed is equal to angle E. Angle B is equal to angle E from here, and B is equal to P from this condition. Okay, so we got PQ parallel to EF. If PQ is parallel to EF, then we have this thing true from theorem 6.1 or 6.2. Then we can change this to this thing, AB upon DE is equal to AC upon DF, and similarly we can say that AB upon DE is equal to BC upon EF. Hence the theorem is true. So this is the AAA criterion. Then we have the second condition for a criterion is SSS criterion. That is, if in two triangles, sides of one triangle is proportional, i.e. in the same ratio of the sides of other triangle, then corresponding angles are same. So in this we are given that these ratios are same. Now the triangle is ABC and DEF. Similarly, make DP is equal to AB and DQ is equal to AC. So we have made these two things. Then join P and Q, and then joining P and Q, it can be seen that DP upon PE is equal to DQ upon QF, and PQ is parallel to EF. Why? Because this ratio is true, and from theorem 6.2 or 6.1 you can say that now as PQ is parallel to EF, angle P is equal to angle E and angle Q is equal to angle F. Then we can write this thing also, because PQ is parallel to EF, and then we can say this thing also. In this, the only, because we know that AB upon DE, what is AB upon DE, is equal to BC upon EF, because the first condition before starting the theorem we have that corresponding sides are equal. So now AB is equal to DP, so DP upon DE is there, then EF is there, and then BC is there. So we have this thing true. Now we can say that angle ABC and angle DPQ are congruent. So BC is equal to PQ, hence angle A is angle D, angle B is equal to angle E, and angle C is equal to angle F. So we move on to our third theorem, that is SAS criterion, side angle side. In this, one angle is given, suppose angle A is equal to angle D is given, and this ratio condition is given that AB upon DE is equal to AC upon DF, and what we have to prove, that these two triangles are similar. Similarly, we can cut out DP is equal to AB and TQ is equal to AC, and then we can join PQ. Okay, so in this question we have till now PQ parallel to EF. Why is that? Because the ratios are same. That's from theorem 6.2 or 6.1 we can say that PQ is parallel to EF, and ABC, triangle ABC is congruent to triangle DPQ, because these sides are same and these angles are same. So from SAS condition we are getting this thing. Now, so angle A is angle D, angle B is equal to angle P, and angle C is equal to angle Q. Hence we got ABC similar to DEF. Now we will be doing some examples. So this is example number 4. This is the figure. PQ is parallel to RS is given. Prove that POQ is parallel to SOR. Okay, so first PQ is parallel to RS. Angle P is equal to angle S because alternate angle, and Q is equal to angle R, again alternate angle. That is if these two lines are parallel, and this is the third line intersecting these two parallel lines, then we have what we have. We can say that this angle is equal to this angle. This is known as alternate angle. Okay, so angle 1 is equal to angle 2. So we get these two from there, and these two angles are also same because these are vertical opposite angle. Hence by AA criterion these are similar. Then we have this question and we have to find this angle P. Okay, so in triangle ABC and PQR, just find the ratio of AB upon RQ. What is this? 3.8 upon 7.6, that is 1.2. Okay, then we have BC upon QP. Then we are interested in finding BC upon QP, that is 6 by 12, that is again 1 by 2, and AC upon PR is again 1 by 2. So corresponding ratios are same, hence the triangles are similar, and so SSS criterion, due to SSS criterion these two triangles are same. Then angle C is equal to angle P, and angle C can be written as 180 minus A minus B, and hence we can find P as 40 degree. Okay, so in this question we are given that OA into OB is OC into OD, and show that angle A is equal to angle C and angle B is equal to angle D. Okay, so first rearrange this condition into this thing, and these two angles are same because vertically opposite angle. Then by take these two conditions together, and we can say that AOD and COB are similar due to SAS condition. Then angle A is angle C and angle D is equal to angle B, corresponding angles of a similar triangle. Hence we have done this. Then we have this question. A girl of height 90 centimeter is walking away from the base at 1.2 meter per second. If the lamp is 3.6 meter above the ground, find the length of her shadow after 4 seconds. Okay, so it is not very much difficult. We have to just okay, so we are given that it is 3.6 and this length BD is equal to 1.2 into 4, that is 4.8 is this BD, and this CD is what? 90 centimeter, so it is 0.9 meter. And as this, consider angle. Okay, so if these all are 90 degree, we are assuming that these are perpendicular to ground, then triangle CDE is similar to triangle ABE. Okay, let us see. Yes, ABE and CDE are similar by AA criterion. Why AA criterion? Because angle E is common in both. This angle is 90, hence the third angle will also be same in both case. Then we have BE upon DE is equal to 4.8 upon x. 4.8 plus x upon x is equal to 3.6 upon 0.9, and we can calculate the x from here. Now we have this question. In figure 6.33, CM and RN are respectively medians of ABC and PQR, and we have to prove these things. Okay, so first look at this thing. ABC is similar to PQR. Then we can conclude from this thing these corresponding ratio is same and corresponding angle is same. Now AB is equal to 2 AM and PQ is equal to 2 PM because these are mediums. Hence we can change this into this thing. Then we got this ratio equal to same and this angle is equal to same. Now consider AMC and PNR, and we can just bit by bit proceed. Okay, so by SAS criterion, this ratio and this angle criterion, we got this as similar. Similarly, we can do the next part, and in the next video we will be doing the ratio of areas of similar triangle. Till then you can try exercise 6.3 and read on.